Hey everyone, the Realme Pad 3 marks the long-awaited return of Realme to the tablet segment, a space the company stepped away from after launching the Realme Pad 2 in mid-2023. For more than 2 years, Realme has remained silent, while rivals steadily expanded their tablet portfolios, making the leak of the Pad 3's early details feel like a genuine comeback announcement. Although the information available is still limited, the early picture already suggests a tablet that aims to refine Realme's formula rather than reinvent it. According to reliable tipster Abhishek Yadav, Realme is preparing to launch the Pad 3 either in late 2025 or early 2026, with India expected to be one of the first markets. While that launch window remains broad, the leak is surprisingly complete in areas like model numbers, connectivity options, and storage configurations. Realme appears to be taking a simplified approach this time, offering the tablet in 2 versions, a Wi-Fi only model and a 5G-enabled variant. The 5G version carries the model number RMP2501, while the Wi-Fi only variant is identified as RMP2502. Both versions are expected to come in the same 2 colors, space gray and champagne gold, and they share identical RAM and storage options. Realme seems to be avoiding unnecessary fragmentation by standardizing the memory configuration. 8 gigs RAM paired with either 128 gigs or 256 gigs of internal storage. This parity between the Wi-Fi and 5G models suggests Realme wants purchase decisions to revolve primarily around connectivity needs, not performance compromises. Beyond that, most core specifications remain under wraps. Details about the chipset, screen technology, camera setup, and battery capacity have not yet surfaced, leaving a great deal of curiosity around whether Realme plans to significantly upgrade the hardware or keep things close to the Pad 2's template. Considering how competitive the Android tablet market has become over the last 2 years, with brands like Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo, and Samsung aggressively refreshing their lineups, Realme will need more than minor tweaks to stand out. Looking back at the Realme Pad 2 gives some insight into where improvements might land. The Pad 2 shipped with MediaTek's Helio G99, a capable mid-range processor but one limited to 4G connectivity. Its 11.5 2-inch 120Hz LCD display offered smooth interaction, and its large 8,360 mAh battery delivered dependable endurance with support for 33-watt fast charging. While those specs were reasonable for its launch period, a modern successor in 2025 or 2026 will be expected to offer at least 5G support, a more advanced chipset, and likely an upgraded display, perhaps an IPS panel with higher brightness, or even a switch to OLED in a premium variant. What the leak does confirm, however, is Realme's renewed interest in the tablet category. After years of inactivity, the Pad 3 signals that the company sees an opportunity to compete again, especially in the mid-range bracket where Realme's aggressive pricing historically thrives. The structural decisions, streamlined variants, clean storage options, and 5G availability already hint at a more mature strategy. Until the remaining specifications surface, the Realme Pad 3 exists mostly as a promising outline. If Realme builds on the strong display, large battery, and accessible pricing of its predecessor while modernizing the internals, the Pad 3 could easily find its place among budget-friendly productivity and entertainment tablets. For now, fans of the brand can at least take comfort in knowing that Realme's tablet lineup is officially waking up again. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. Have a nice day, and God bless you.